Federal agents, police officers, and private gun owners from across the country are suing Newington-based gunmaker Sig Sauer. No cameras are allowed inside federal court, but News 9 obtained the 143-page complaint, which alleges that one of the company's handgun models can fire on its own without the trigger being pulled, resulting in injury and damages in dozens of alleged instances, many involving law enforcement. The plaintiffs say the company has been negligent and deceptive in its marketing practices, advertising that the guns won't fire unless you want them to. The judge now considering Sig Sauer's request to throw out claims that it violated New Hampshire's Consumer Protection Act, since none of the alleged incidents happened here in the state. And again, the judge said he needs a little more time to sit on that CPA claim and that there may be a point in the future where it would be appropriate to sever the cases. In Concord, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.